Tata Altroz now has a turbo petrol variant in its lineup, but does it have the goods to take on other models in the segment? Here is our review. The Tata Altroz iTurbo will be offered in three variants: XT, XZ and XZ Plus. It will be launched already on July 22, January 2021. It goes up against the Hyundai i10 Turbo and Volkswagen Polo TSI. Turbo petrol and an automatic variant were the two things missing from the Altroz lineup, and Tata has addressed one of those. The most important one, in my opinion, with over 45,000 units sold in this financial year, the Altroz has proved to be a popular car for Tata, and now on the occasion of the first anniversary of the Altroz, Tata Motors has introduced the Altroz iTurbo, where the I stands for intelligent. With the addition of the new turbo model, Tata hopes to add 10% more to the overall sales of the Altroz. In terms of design, the Altroz stays unchanged, and that is not a bad thing at all. But is new is the Harbor blue color with a contrast black roof, which is available on the car from XM Plus variant and upwards. The new color looks really cool and adds a sense of freshness to the overall look of the car. The Altroz continues to be a handsome looking hatchback, be it a new color or any of the old ones. Step inside the cabin and you see that the interior is now done in a new black and light grey color combination. Combine that with the perforated leatherette upholstery on the seats, the cabin of the Altroz iTurbo feels premium and inviting. It is well appointed and gets a long list of features as well. If we talk about performance and dynamics, under the hood is a 3-cylinder 1.2-liter petrol engine which makes 108 bhp at 5500 rpm, and the peak torque output is 140 Newton meter, which comes in between 1500 to 5500 rpm. The engine is paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox, which is the only transmission option for now, although Tata may introduce an automatic variant in the coming months. The company claims a fuel efficiency figure of 18.13 means 18.13 kmpl on the Altroz iTurbo. Tata says that the turbo model can do the 0 to 100 mph sprint in just a shade less than 12 seconds. Tata will offer the turbo engine option on three variants, which are XT, XZ and XZ Plus. As you start driving the car, straight away there is a pronounced sense of urgency. When you prod the throttle on the Altroz iTurbo, the engine responds with the throttle inputs and feels defined too. Although one can hear the turbo whistle at higher speeds, the motor is redefined and the car seems to be soundproofed decently well too. Driving it in the city or on the highway is fairly enjoyable too, but a little more grunt right at the bottom end would have helped, especially in the city. The power delivery is prettier linear, and the relatively tall gearing makes the 5-speed gearbox adequate for the Altroz Turbo. One isn't looking for the 6th slot. When driving at higher speeds in the 5th gear, you have just about enough juice to overtake a slow moving vehicle in front of you at speed. The Altroz also gets two driving modes, which are Sport and City. The difference between the two modes is not as pronounced as one would have liked. If we talk about the ride quality, then the ride quality is plush, very well sorted, and will keep the occupants in comfort over broken roads. The steering feels a little loose, especially at the center and at low speeds, but does well to weight up at higher speeds. With the dynamics, performance and space on offer, the Altroz Turbo is likely to work well a long distance touring car. The top specifications variety of the Altroz iTurbo now gets Tata's connected car technology called IRA, which stands for Intelligent Rear Time Assist. There are 27 connected car features on offers such as remote lock unlock, geofencing, roadside assistance, remote immobilization, and much more. But the party piece here is Tata's natural voice tech, which means the IRA can recognize up to 70 voice commands in English, Hindi, and Hinglish as well. Other features on the car include what three words? A technology where each 3 square meter block on earth is given 3 particular words, making it easier to navigate with pinpoint precision. Then the car also gets an express cooling function wherein the AC can be set to maximum. In fact, Tata claims that the cabin can be cooled 70% faster than regular AC setting. It is a good feature to have for hot summer days, which are plenty in India. The audio system gets two additionally tweeters from Harman as well. The 7-inch floating touchscreen stays the same and continues to get smartphone connectivity in the form of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In terms of safety, the Tata Altroz iTurbo will be a 5-star rated car from Global NCAP and gets the usual fare of dual airbags, ABS with EBD across the board. Prices for the Tata Altroz iTurbo will be announced already on the January 22. Bookings for the car have already begun and interested customers can pay Rs 11,000 and book the car. The Altroz Turbo will go up against the Hyundai i20 Turbo and the Volkswagen Polo TSI in India. Now that is a comparison that we are dying to do. 3 premium turbo petrol hatchbacks. Mouth-watering proposition indeed. The Altroz iTurbo was a much needed model in the car's lineup, and not launching an automatic right now may seem like a missed opportunity. In our verdict, the car does feel more engaging to drive and is definitely more responsive as well. Lots of features on offer and a 5-star crash test rating too. The Altroz Turbo sure seems like a well-rounded package. Pricing is going to be important here, and if Tata gets that right, the Hyundai i20 Turbo has some serious competition then. For the latest auto news and reviews, follow our YouTube channel, follow us, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is His Garage.